Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to clean your CenturionPro Dry Batch Trimmer. This guide will work for the Dry Batch Trimmer models 4 and 5. For best performance and longevity, we suggest to clean your trimmer after every use, or if plant matter is affecting the trim quality or speed of the trimmer. First, make sure your trimmer is unplugged. The side drive is not waterproof. Remove before cleaning the trimmer. You will need to disassemble your trimmer for a thorough clean. Remove the top cover and brush. Then remove the trim tray and tumbler lid. Loosen the tension of the blade sheet. Carefully remove the tumbler, then reach inside the machine to unhook the blade sheet. Once the tumbler is out of the trimmer, remove the blade sheet by gently pulling the sheet off the metal tabs. You can apply a coating of cooking oil to the components and let them sit for 3 to 12 hours. This will soften the plant residue. If you plan to use degreaser, be careful to use one that won't damage the painted or anodized components. You can pressure wash the trimmers and most of its components. For best results, use hot water whenever possible. Pressure wash the empty trimmer. If plant matter persists, clean the trimmer with hot soapy water, then use the pressure washer. Pressure wash the tumbler, top cover, brush tumbler lid, trim tray, and blade sheet. Avoid water on the bearings. Allow all components to dry before reassembling your trimmer. Then, run the trimmer empty for 5 minutes before next use.